everyone, SLACKROBATS here. We're back with some more training and conditioning drills for you. Today we'll be utilizing a prop. I'm going to use a ball. You can use anything that you can hold with one or two hands. Okay, we're going to be doing this exercise called exposure, straddle, stretch, walks. That's what we'll be building up to. Try to say that 5 times fast. Anyway, but we're going to start with the stationary version first. It's going to look something like this. I'm going to go into a straddle in exposure, so facing out here into the big world. Holding the prop with one hand is level 1 difficulty. Holding the prop with 2 hands is level 2 difficulty. Either way, once you find your straddle, you're going to try to keep your legs straight, put energy into your heels, keep yourself from going forward. That's the danger zone. We don't want to fall forward. Take the ball, go to the line, try to go past it and below it, and then come back up. Okay, that's the stretch part of that. Exposure, straddle, stretch. Here's what it'll look like on the line. A little tip for you in exposure. I like to stand on the ball mounts and press the heels towards the ground. Try that out, see how it works. So once we're in exposure, now we gotta get to straddle. I'm gonna put the weight into one leg, slide the other leg out. Try to go as far as you can and as much as your flexibility will allow for your straddle. Makes it easier to get the ball past the line. Once we're here again, we're aiming for straight legs. Bring the ball down, past the line. Okay, that was a little quick. Try to do a little more slow and controlled. Energy towards the heels, breathing, find a drifty point. Okay, this is the stationary version. Keep doing it until you feel comfortable. If you come down, get up, try again. Whew. That's the danger zone. Be careful there. A little tip that can help you from doing that, if you need to, bend the knees, okay? I encourage you to try to maintain straight legs, but what you need to do to protect the face and keep yourself from falling, planting forward, is bend the knees to help recover. So here's what that'll look like. If I'm down here and I'm getting too far forward, bend the knees to come out of it, okay? Save yourself. It's not worth the face plant, okay? Now let's move on to level 2. It's gonna be exposure, straddle, stretch, walks. We're gonna take this across the line, starting on the close anchor point, taking steps and stretching in between. Okay? Boom. Again, put weight into one leg. You found your exposure, now find your straddle. Whew. Prop, 2 hands. Find your stretch. Now take it for a walk. Remember to breathe. Finding a dristy here in front of you will help. Bend the knees to save yourself if necessary. Work towards straight legs. Nice thing about this is if you have the line nice and low, you can touch the ground. Otherwise, again, the goal is just to get it on the other side of the line, a little bit lower, and back up. Walk that across the line a few times, see how you feel. Send us your videos, we want to see it. If you get real good, walk it there and walk it back. All right, till next time, keep training. Peace, SLACKROBATS.